Hey darlings, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I package and ship my lash order. I know that I have done one already. If you haven't watched it, click the card up here to go watch it. It's very detailed. Unfortunately, that was my first time, even though I got most of the things right, but I just want to make this video better. So we did have another order, yay! Yesterday, and I'm super excited. So I'll be shipping out her order. Thank you so much, Ronke, for ordering and supporting my business. God bless you abundantly. So as usual, I just brought out all the items that I would usually put in my package. The bubble mailer, because our order is just one, I'm going to be using this small bubble mailer, and this is the 4x8, I believe. It's really small. It can only fit one lash, and if you try, maybe two. Of course, my thank you card, which is this, and I'm going to write a cute note inside and give her like a code, discount code to use for her next purchase. Then business cards I'm going to be adding to, just because I have a lot. And remember I told you guys that I'll be adding like mascara wands as gifts inside, and of course I'm going to be putting all of this inside this. And yeah, there I have a thank you sticker which I'll put on the bubble mailer after sealing it up. And yeah, so of course the organza bag where I put everything. I think this is the 6x7 I think. And then we have the lashes itself. Remember I told you guys about making sure that what you're sending to your customer is good and in the right condition. You don't want anybody coming back to complain that there's something wrong with their lashes, what's not. So this is it. And because of the whole pandemic currently going on, you want to make sure that your hands are properly clean. So my hands are clean and disinfected, so we're good. So this is what it is. So I'm just going to open my laptop just to confirm what she ordered, and then we're going to create a shipping label, package it. I think we should package it first. This is the shipping scale that I use, and this is the Architect shipping scale. It's really good. This is what almost everybody uses. So I'm just going to open my laptop and just bring up the order. Shopify, just to confirm, even though I like printing, I'm sure that it's Azara that she ordered. Yeah, so I'm right, she ordered Azara. I need to get a pen, so got my pen. I'm right, she ordered Azara here. I'm just gonna go ahead and package them. So as usual, I like to put the lash first, just taking a last look at it to make sure that it's clean. Then business cards, I like to put this at the back. Then the mascara wand, which is this. So just gonna put one inside. So yeah, next I would write what I want to write on the business card and put it inside. Then we can weigh it and fulfill the order. So let's see. So I just wrote my message. My handwriting is crappy, but yeah, I'm just using my finger to cover the code. So yeah, a thank you letter is ready. So what I'll do is put this at the back like so. So I'm still trying to figure out if I should be putting the thank you cards in front of the lashes, but I want the customer to see the lashes before like they see any other thing. And the reason why I'm putting everything here is that me personally, when I receive orders, I know I definitely don't check if there's anything else. Once I pull this out, that's literally the end, so I'll just throw it. So if you put the thank you cards inside, if some of your customers are like how I am, they won't see what you sent them. So always make sure to put them inside. So once I've done this, I'm going to put it in. So guys, if you're selling lashes, I think you should just close your eyes and buy the 6x10 one. This one is like actually too small. Like I struggle to fit this in. So I think everything is inside. Mascara one, Lash, business card, thank you card. Yeah. So I'm just gonna rip this part off and seal it here. This is what all that looks like. Then just gonna take a thank you sticker. Super cute. Yeah. Then I'll bring my scale, turn it on right here. So it's zeroed out. Just gonna put this on here. 1.1, 1.1. So we have the measurement. So we have the weight, so 1.1. I'm just gonna click more actions here and buy cheaper postage. I'm gonna come here and this is hers and get rates. So I'm gonna come here and what I'll basically do is pick my packages. So the one I have is 7 by 5, so length is 7, here is 5. It's actually 4 points and a few points, but I just approximated it to 5. And we're going to go back to what we measured before. I think it was 1.1 ounces. I'm not going to save package. I want to be doing this like every time. So yeah, 1.1, and then I'll get rates, and yeah, so it's gonna show up what the fee is, and I'm gonna select a date to ship. Ship date would be, let me see, Thursday. Let me say Friday just in case. So Friday. You're going to be charged, so buy label. So ready to print. I'm gonna click print label, and it's gonna come here, and I'll just download it and also get a shareable link. So I'll get the link and send it to Babe so you can help me print. And that's basically that. So once I print it, I'll put it on here and take it to USPS. They're going to scan it in and give me a receipt, just like they did with the previous one. So yup. And that's basically how I package and ship my lashes. I do feel that if you're starting a lash business, maybe not go for this really small ones, because I have to struggle to fit everything. But if you don't mind struggling to fit everything, that's fine. But I don't, so I probably should have just done the 6 by 10, because they will be measuring the weight and not the measurement, so to say. So yeah, I've learned my lesson. So I'm just going to make sure that I use the whole 50 of this before restocking. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up, like this video, share with your friends, and who knows, you might learn 1 or 2 things. Feel free to also leave a question down below if you have any, and comments if you learn something new. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video, and please patronize us. We sell mink lashes, we also sell virgin human hair. So check us out at our website. You can click the card up here to visit our website and make a purchase. We ship internationally, but unfortunately for now we're not shipping to Africa, because especially Nigeria, because the airline or something is blocked. But we do ship for the rest of the world, so feel free. Thank you.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could